This baked keema pie serves 4 and takes about 45 minutes to prepare, plus chilling and baking. A flaky short crust filled with Indian spiced lamb, perfect for family dinner. First, the pastry ingredient. 2 cups all-purpose flour for the short crust pastry. 1 teaspoon salt for the dough. 1 stick of unsalted butter, cold, for cutting into the flour. 3 to 4 tablespoons of ice water to bring the dough together. 1 pound of ground lamb for the keema filling. 1 large yellow onion, finely chopped for the filling. 3 cloves of garlic, crushed or minced. 1 inch fresh ginger, peeled and finely grated. 1 green chili, seeded and finely chopped if you prefer less heat. 1 medium tomato, chopped for the filling. 2 teaspoons garam masala to flavor the keema. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric for color and warmth. 1 teaspoon chili powder to add gentle heat. 1 teaspoon of salt for the keema filling. 1/4 cup fresh cilantro, chopped, to finish the filling. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to brown the onions and cook the lamb. 1 large beaten egg for the egg wash to brush the crust. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. In a large bowl combine 2 cups all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon salt, cut in 1 stick cold unsalted butter until coarse crumbs, then add 3 to 4 tablespoons ice water until the dough comes together. Wrap and chill in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Roll the chilled dough on a lightly floured surface to 1/8 inch thickness and fit it into a 9-inch pie dish, trim the edges, and refrigerate the lined shell for 15 minutes. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees Celsius. Heat 2 tablespoons vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium heat, add 1 large chopped yellow onion and sauté for 5 to 7 minutes until soft and translucent. Add 3 cloves minced garlic, 1 inch grated ginger, and 1 chopped green chili, cook for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. Increase heat to medium-high and add 1 pound of ground lamb, break it up with a spoon and brown for 6 to 8 minutes until no longer pink. Stir in 1 medium chopped tomato, 2 teaspoons garam masala, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon chili powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Cook for 5 minutes until most of the moisture evaporates. Remove the skillet from the heat and stir in 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro. Let the filling cool for 10 minutes so it is easier to handle. Spoon the cooled keema filling into the chilled pastry-lined pie shell and spread it evenly without overfilling. Roll out the remaining dough to cover the pie, place it over the filling, crimp the edges to seal, and cut 2 or 3 small steam vents in the top crust. Brush the top crust with 1 beaten large egg for a glossy golden finish. Bake the pie in the preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees Celsius, for 35 to 40 minutes until the crust is deep golden and the filling is bubbling. Rotate the pie halfway through if needed. Remove the pie from the oven and let it rest on a rack for 15 minutes before slicing to allow the filling to set. Serve warm. Thank you for watching. Enjoy this keema pie and remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more recipes. Here's the finished baked keema pie, golden and fragrant. Serve a warm slice and enjoy. If you liked this recipe, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell to get notifications for new recipes.